Now let's discuss the term person in detail. Now discuss the term person as per इनकम टैक्स एक्ट इन डिटेल. मतलब पर्सन के अंदर क्या क्या चीज़ें इंक्लूड है, कौन पर्सन है एज पर इनकम टैक्स, वो हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं अब. राइट, तो पर्सन कौन है इनकम टैक्स के अकॉर्डिंग. देखिए, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप, सेकेंड इज HUF हिंदू अनडिवाइड फैमिली, partnership firm, company, association of person, that is AOP, BOI, body of individuals, artificial juridical person, and last one is this is, please correct the spelling, statutory corporation, and the last one is local authorities. So these are the person, as I already told you in the last session, that ऑल असेसीज आर पर्सन बट ऑल पर्सन्स आर नॉट असेसी. मतलब जो भी असेसी होगा वो इन्हीं पर्सन्स में से होगा, इन्हीं पर्सन में से कोई पर्सन होगा जिसको, जो असेसी होगा, जिसको इनकम टैक्स पे करना है, तो उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे, असेसी. लेकिन जरूरी नहीं है कि जो यहाँ पे ये पर्सन है वो आगे चल के इनकम टैक्स पे करने के लिए लायबल हो. इसका मतलब वो असेसी नहीं भी हो सकते. राइट, तो ये वो कैटेगरीज ऑफ पीपल, इंस्टीट्यूशंस एंड बॉडीज हैं जो इनकम बाय एनी वेज अर्न करती हैं. राइट, तो फर्स्ट वी हैव व्हाट, फर्स्ट वी हैव सोल प्रोप्राइटर. what is sole proprietor? Normal individual like me as a teacher, you as a student, your mother, your father, they are earning by any ways of source of income, so they are individual. Right, first second one is HUF Hindu undivided family. Hindu undivided family by its family business earn the income by some sources, so it is under category of HUF. Right, third one is partnership firm. You know this term very familiar. The partnership firm is very simple, the association of two or more person who have agreed to share the profit or loss of a business. Right, company is also a person. Association of person means the term that we are discussing, the combination of person. Right, association of person मतलब क्या हो गया, association of person मतलब two or more individual form some institution, two or more partnership firm, or a company or a partnership firm, this association of person. Like in accounting term we normally use joint venture, that here term is called association of person. Right, body of individual. What is body of individual? Body of individual means combination or collections of individual. Right, for example, societies are formed for a particular purpose, so here the term is body of individual. So if that society is earning by whatever source any income, are liable to be called as person under this category. Right, now artificial juridical person, for example RBI, CBI, these are the artificial juridical person formed for a particular reason. Right, uske baad statutory corporation are the same something. Right, then local authority simply means your MCD, your DDA, your municipality, your municipal committee, district board, they are also having some income by some tax collection, by imposing some fines, so these are under these category. Right, so I hope this is clear to you. Now simple thing is, person is our individual, forms, business corporations or entity by which they earn income by whatever source, and who are liable to pay income tax under the categories of person, that they will be called assessee. Right.